My name's Lisa Speaker, and I'm the middle school, high school, and ALC media specialist. Today, I would like to show you how to use our ebooks, books you can read or listen to on your iPad. In order to do this on your iPad, you're going to look for that W icon or the ISD 518 icon, and you are going to click on it. That will take you to the Worthington School's website. Once you're on the Worthington School website, you'll go into the black ribbon. You will hover over schools, and then you will find middle school, and you will click on it. Then you're now on the middle school website. Underneath the picture of the middle school, you see a gray box that says Inside Middle School. Click on that arrow and then scroll down until you see Media Center and click on that. Now, to make things easier, what we're going to do is we are going to save the middle school library website to your home screen. So in the upper right hand corner, you'll see it looks like a piece of paper or a box with an arrow pointing up out of it. Click on that and then click on Add to Home Screen. It will pop you out of the website. So now just click on the icon that you created on your iPad, and it should take you to the Media Center webpage. There are two ways that you can access ebooks, and I'd like to show you both ways today. Just because sometimes one way works better for somebody, and sometimes certain ways don't work. So we're going to start with going into the library catalog. On the right-hand corner, you'll see the stack of books. You'll click on that stack of books, and you'll come to this page here. So if you want to search by ebook, you'll see the box that says material type, any type. You are going to choose electronic book and click on it. And then many of us are reading AR and at a certain level. So I went down to reading programs, not reading level, reading programs, and I clicked on accelerated reader. Then it gives me this AR level box, so I can type in my reading level. I'm going to type in 2.5 to 3.8. And then I'll click keyword. I'm not going to click these other buttons here because keyword will give me everything I'm looking for. If you wanted a specific topic like cats, dogs, lizards, you could type them in here and then hit the subject button with these limiters set, and then you would get stuff that's just at that level if we have it. So I'm going to hit keyword. So now it says that I have 250 books that are 2.5 to 3.8 in AR, and you just open them up and you can read them. If there's something that you want to come back to, you will have to log in and check out the book, or it might ask you to log in right away. And we'll talk about logging in the second way of accessing ebooks. So this was the catalog, which I'm sure many of you have used before. Okay. So the other option is under electronic book links on the Media Center webpage, which you saved on your home screen. We're going to go into this Destiny Discover app. And this, again, is our ebooks, but they're in just a different format. I like this one because of all the pictures. There are bands that go across, like this is ebooks, and if you hit the see all, you'll see all the ebooks. This is interactive ebooks. Again, there's a see all. Audiobooks and see all. Popular titles, those are going to be print books and ebooks, which means books that are on our shelves at our school. I'd be careful of using these popular titles because you're probably not going to find very many ebooks in here. And be careful with the topics. You'll have to use the filters or the limiters that we have available, and I'll show you how to use those in order to find just the ebooks. These audiobooks are somebody reading the book. They're done very nicely. Some people will have a book in front of them as they're listening, and some people just listen, and then you can take AR tests. These books here also have somebody reading the book to you. Sometimes, though, there's fun music, and another cool thing is that they'll highlight the words as they're reading them. Then these are our ebooks. I'm going to hit the see all, and if I kept going, there's tons. Okay, so I'm going to set some filters, and I'm going to use these lines with circles to do that. And I'm just going to go to where it says reading program, and I'm going to tell it accelerated reader, and then I can tell it right here what reading level I want, and we did 2.5 to 3.8 in the catalog, so I'll do it here also. And then I'm going to hit search. If I again wanted a specific subject, I could type it in here also, but I'm not going to do that. So I hit search, and it tells me that there's 200 plus books that are at that reading level, and maybe I will decide that I want to read, how about The Bald Bandit, an A to Z mystery. So I'm going to click on it, and it's telling me, it tells me what the reading level is. It's a 3.2, the quiz number, and how many points it would be. Now, what if I wanted to check it out? There's no way to check it out. Well, up in the upper right-hand corner here is a login. So you click on that, and your username will be your first name dot last name and your graduation year. Those two numbers from your graduation year. And your password will be your lunch number. I think I typed mine in wrong. Give me a minute here. And then you hit submit. And this is the same for in the library catalog. Okay, we lost everything, so I'm going to go back to see all. And see, it tells me welcome back. It'll have your name there. And then I'm going to go do that filter again. So it was the lines with the circles. I'm going to tell it accelerated reader. I'm going to tell it that I want 2.5 to 3.8. Do a search. And you know what? When we do that search, we also have to go into format and tell it ebook, okay? Because it's giving us books too. So we have to tell it ebook or audiobook recorded sound. So I'm going to tell it ebook, and then so I've got format ebook, and I've got the reading level, and I hit search. That's why some of the books weren't opening for me. So maybe I decide I want to read Absolutely Lucy. I click on it, and it gives me a little bit of a summary. It tells me that it's a 2.7 and the quiz number and what the points are. And then if I want to read it, I hit open. And then I hit my arrow keys, and there are other tools in here. You could change your font and text, and it can read to you as a computer. You can play around with those. I just want to show you how everything works. And there's the first page. Now, it might look different on my computer because I'm using a laptop than on your iPad, just so you know that. And then be sure to close the book if you decide you don't want to read it. Otherwise, it takes you completely out. So I am also going to go back, and I would like to show you an interactive book. I'm going to do the hedgehogs, and I'm going to open it. I'll take you to a page. So again, let's see, I want to close. I haven't been in this one before, so forgive me. Completely took us out of where we were. So again, you want to make sure that you're logged in so that everything works. These I'm not going to do. It's just somebody reading. This is just another option for you to read when you're at home. Reading is a journey. I was just telling kids the other day that just pick where you want to go. Do you want to go ice fishing? Do you want to see what happens on Groundhog Day? What is a democracy? How do I fit in? This will just open up another possibility for you in reading. If you have any questions, be sure to ask myself or our staff in the library. Have a good day.